What do I want to talk about today? Well, last night we watched 10 Years Younger. Now, I have a complaint because you'll be watching it all nice and then suddenly they go, oh, this lady has false teeth, and they go clunk and take them out, and all like the spit and bare gums, and it just makes me go and then I faint. Yes, so there should be a warning, just like the warnings where they say in this programme there's flashing lights
or gruesomeness
or blood and guts
and gore.
So on 10 Years Younger they should say, tonight on 10 Years Younger is a gummy woman and she's going to be taking her teeth out. Look away when the light flashes.
No light.
We can't have a light flashing because people can't watch lights flashing. Look away when we say gummy woman. So you can be watching it, sitting there with your cup of tea, and all of a sudden they say, gummy woman. And then you go,